Another mistake that I see a lot is bringing your daughters and your sons and your children to the masjid. And you know that the child is going to cry throughout the prayer. He's a newborn baby or he's a toddler. Or you haven't disciplined your child at home and taught them the importance of the masjid. You haven't done that. You're that type of parent where your child can do whatever he or she likes. That type of child that you've treated in that way, you should not be bringing him to the masjid and then he distracts the entire masjid. It is so loud that even the men's side can hear it. Okay? And the masjid is a place for the people to remember Allah Ta'ala. So this situation, for you to pray in your house is better for you. The Prophet, he said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, in the hadith Abu Dawud narrated and 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗱, من حديث عبد الله بن مسعود رضي الله عنه, صلاة المرأة في بيتها أفضل من صلاتها في حجرتها وصلاتها في مخدعها أفضل من صلاتها في بيتها. So stay inshallah ta'ala home. You got the reward anyways. The salah in your house is better than the salah even in your living room. Your inner chamber is better than even the living room that you pray in. Imagine that. And to pray in the house is even better than for you to pray in the masjid. So aslan, it was better for you to pray in the house. And now that you have a child who's going to cry and he's going to weep and he's going to run around in the masjid and he's going to cause the people who are praying not to be able to focus, then sister, do not bring your child to the masjid. But if you have a child, you've taught him, you've disciplined him, you've spoken to him, he listens to you, you can keep him next to you, then inshallah ta'ala that might bring khair for the child and he might learn from the prayer and the salah and the importance of it.